the level, especially in that second set, was extremely high. Both of us were like just ripping the ball, and he was playing at a very high level, and I had to keep up my level, especially like I know I had to hold my serve because he was serving well as well. And just overall, it was a great match on both ends.
No, it was great. I mean, it was an amazing feeling to compete, especially with a player as good as Blaise. You know, it's a good, makes me feel good about myself and my tennis. It was a great match. I hit my backhand really well. Forehand, I was serving well, but you know, he's obviously tougher in the big moments. He made some really good shots. Can't do much about it.